Hello and welcome to this Sunlink Interactive tutorial. Today we'll be walking you through the simple steps of uploading videos and pictures to Google Drive using a shared link. Whether you're sending us logos, images, or any other deliverables for your website design project, we've got you covered. First things first, let's start by opening the Google Drive link provided to you. This link should take you directly to the shared folder where you can upload your files. Once you're in the shared folder, you'll see an upload button. To find it, look for the New button on the left side of the screen. Click on it and you'll see the File Upload and Folder Upload options. Select File Upload to add individual files like images or videos. If you have a whole folder of items, you can choose Folder Upload instead. Simply browse to the files or folder on your computer and select them. Here's a quick tip. On your desktop, you can also upload files by simply right-clicking inside the shared folder and selecting Upload Files from the context menu. This option can be a convenient shortcut. Your files will start uploading right away. You can keep track of the progress in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Larger files may take a bit longer, so be patient. To make sure future uploads are easier, remember to bookmark this Google Drive link or save the email with the link. This way, you'll have quick and easy access whenever you need it. Now, if you prefer to upload files using your phone, there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your phone. Once you've downloaded the app, log in with your Gmail account to ensure everything syncs correctly. You'll need this app to upload files directly from your phone. With the Google Drive app open, tap the plus icon and select Upload. Then choose the files or photos you want to upload from your phone's gallery. That's it! Your files will be uploaded to Google Drive and you can manage them just like you would on a computer. Thanks for watching this Sunlink Interactive tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help make your website design process as smooth as possible. Have a great day and happy uploading!